Guys, it's going to be a video on how to repair a minor rip in a tractor seat. We have Manus, yeah, this is Manus. Bond 1 part, high performance, high strength adhesive sealant. This is black. We're putting on a black seat. Then you want some kind of rag for this. We're just gonna put some on here. A little drop like that. So here, a little drop, but just spread it on there. If you can't see there, and just I'm just gonna give a dab more out here. Apply right to there. Yeah. Seat's almost shot, but square a little more out here. Just put it on the finger. And there's some marks in there. Put it on that dot. A little one there. Put some there. And I'm just gonna wipe off some excess. And that's all I see for rips. I don't know. Should I get me starting over there next? Stupid seats. Now we'll let that dry and we'll see how it comes out. Oh, there it is. Still not fully... Ooh. Still not fully dry. Still tacky. But should work like that. I put some over like this too. This one actually is, I guess, tacky too. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.